Namaste, myself Khushi Kansara. I am researcher at Indian Institute of Public Health, Gandhinagar. Today we are going to discuss on the role of vitamin C and zinc in relation with COVID-19 infection. So let us first understand what these two nutrients are. So vitamin C and zinc both are micronutrient, whereas vitamin C is a water soluble vitamin while zinc is a trace mineral. It requires in very less amount in our body. There are several functions of vitamin C in human body, and one of the function is to fight against the viral infection by synthesizing antibodies in our body. Similarly, zinc is also a micronutrient which is very essential for human body. According to WHO, zinc help in protein synthesis, cell growth and differentiation, as well as it also helps in intestinal transport of electrolytes and water. There are several evidences on the anti-inflammatory effect of vitamin C and zinc. One of the meta-analysis showed the association of ICU hospital stay with vitamin C. They have found that the duration of the ICU stay decreases with the supplementation of vitamin C. It is because of the anti-inflammatory effect of vitamin C in a human body. Similarly, a meta-analysis conducted on the zinc supplementation to see its effect on the children suffering from pneumonia. They have found that the supplementation of zinc help in decreasing the severity of pneumonia among the children. Being water-soluble vitamin C cannot be stored in human body. Excess of it get excreted out of human body. Vitamin C should be consumed in moderation. Though it is water-soluble vitamin, it is necessary to consume vitamin C from fruits and vegetables and do not completely rely on the supplementation of vitamin C unless and until you are advised by some healthcare practitioner to consume supplementation because of some particular reason. Handling of fruits and vegetables carefully is important. They contain vitamin C and it gets oxidized when it is exposed to certain alkaline or neutral solution. It also gets oxidized when it is exposed to certain metals such as copper. So it is important to handle fruits and vegetables very carefully, to consume adequate amount of vitamin C, to receive adequate amount of vitamin C. As I have mentioned earlier, zinc is a trace mineral. It may be considered as an antioxidant as it helps to reduce the oxidative stress of cell. As stated for vitamin C, zinc should also be consumed in moderation. These nutrients are also available in their natural form, like you can consume and receive vitamin C and zinc from several fruits and vegetables. Guava is one of the richest source of vitamin C that one can have. The other is similarly amla, then other citrus fruits such as oranges, lemon and other green leafy vegetables. Zinc is available from meat, fish, eggs, beans as well as nuts. It is important to understand that the function of one nutrient is dependent upon the availability of other nutrient as well. That is why it is very much essential to consume a balanced diet to get advantage of all the nutrients from the food. I hope that this information was useful. Namaste.